Alright guys, right now we're going to talk about Newton's first and second laws. You just read about it out of the book, and we're going to take a few notes on it. So I'd like you to split your screen in half just like we did last time. So you have the video on one side, your notes on the other. Remember to pause or rewind anytime you need to if you need to clear something up. Here we go. Newton's first law says that an object at rest will stay at rest and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Now I know that sounds pretty complicated. It's actually pretty easy to remember. Your computer is at rest. It's not moving right now, and it's not going to move until an unbalanced force acts upon it, which would be you picking it up. Okay, you would be the unbalanced force causing it to move. When something is at rest, it's not going to just start moving on its own. Something is going to make it move. Could be the wind, it could be somebody picking it up, but something is going to make it move. There's always that unbalanced force. Same thing when an object is in motion. Here on Earth, objects don't stay in motion forever because of gravity. Gravity always makes us come to a stop. Anything. You throw a tennis ball, it's going to eventually stop because of gravity. So that would be the unbalanced force. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist the change in motion. Well, that means it's a way of measuring how hard it is to change the momentum of an object. The more mass an object has, the harder it's going to be to change that momentum. Newton's second law says that acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. The more mass an object has, the more force it's going to take to increase the acceleration. So if you want something to move, okay, the more mass it has, the harder it's going to be to make it move. Think about the aquarium example from the book. Carrying an empty aquarium is a lot easier than carrying a full aquarium. Because of that more mass, it takes more force to get through. So that's Newton's first and second laws. Make sure you have all of these notes down. Rewind if you need to. If you missed out on something, make sure you have all the notes. And we'll talk about Newton's third law next time.